Hi Falcons! I'm standing here in one of the courtyards of the old Forest View High School, and we're getting ready for the open house on September 10th. And we're going to show you some of the great places you'll remember and that you'll get to see on the big day. So I'm standing here in what we now call the North Gym of the old Forest View High School, surrounded by memorabilia that pays homage to some of the great athletic achievements of our Falcons. When you come in here on open house day, you can pick up some basketballs, you can shoot some hoops in the old North Gym, just like you might have used to back in the day. And when you're here, don't forget to pick up one of the new Forest View Falcons t-shirts that we'll have for sale just for you. We're standing by this touchscreen display that helps celebrate some of Forest View's great athletic accomplishments. You'll be able to see this when you're here for the tour. All you have to do is press one of the options and it'll bring up some of our stars from Forest View High School's storied past. We get a lot of questions from Forest View High School alumni about whether we still have some of the original lockers. The answer is yes, we do. We have two banks of the original lockers, one right here downstairs where I'm standing, and one upstairs that you can see when you visit us on September 10th. You can also sit in a classroom, thumb through some old yearbooks, and enjoy the famous tater tots in the cafeteria. We look forward to seeing you. Go Falcons!